Welcome to Indaca Institute of Skills.
Here, I am going to show you some of the best websites to download geospatial data, free and widely used for research purpose. First, I will start with OpenStreetMap. Search OpenStreetMap in Google and opening you see the maps appears in the screen. You can edit it from the edit option, but before editing or downloading you have to create an account and then you have to log into it. As I already have an account, I will log in. And if you have an account, you can log in or can sign up. After logging in, you will see the Edit Now option. You can edit new things on the map, can create your features on existing features, or can download it as it is. Next, you have to go to Export, and then you can search your choice of location or can manually select it and copy-paste your coordinates. I am going to select my location manually by just creating an area of my interest. You can move the area, and here in OpenStreetMap you can only download 50,000 of features at one time. So I am going to choose a small area and it will successfully exported. My data had been downloaded successfully, and now I will open it show you it on QGIS. Go to Layer and then open the layer from Vector File, select Dataset Location. Open it and check the Select All button if not selected. Then add layer, the data will be added to your layer. All features of that particular area have been extracted, all lines, polygons, and point features. Further, you can go through their attributes, Some of the attributes have informations. Line features have road name, road class, road types, and others. Further, you can export the features in shapefile format and can edit it, or also can add more attributes to it. The line feature have been exported as a shapefile format. Now in this way you can export the other features also.
Follow and subscribe to Indaca Institute of Skills for daily powerful updates.